Howdy WordPress fans, Josh here from Teach Yourself Websites. Today I've got a bit of a nuts and bolts kind of lesson for you. I'm going to show you how to increase the performance of your site by reducing the file size of some of your images that you've loaded onto your site or that you're loading onto your site. So to do this we use a plugin called WP Smush It, and it's a funny name, but Smush It is actually an API that does optimizations on JPEGs and PNGs. So that's the kind of files that we're uploading and optimizing. So we'll just jump straight in and we'll go over the features. So if you go and add the plugin in your dashboard, it's a freebie, so you can just do a search for WP smush.it, and you'll find it there as the first result by dialect. So just install that plugin and activate it. And now that that's activated, basically what you need to do is look at all your old images, but the plugin itself kind of works in the background, so it really is a nuts and bolts change that can help your WordPress installation be better for performance. So the plugin will automatically reduce the size of any images you upload from now on after installing the plugin, but you also might want to look at your existing media library. Now if you've got a lot of images in there, this may take a while to go through and reduce the size of, but you can see here on one of my pictures here, there's a new section on the right called Smush It, and this particular file isn't processed. So if I want to, I can actually click on this and it'll go ahead and reduce the file size of that particular image, and it tells you by how much it can reduce that and the actual physical size of how much it actually reduced the file. So I saved 3.1% on that particular file. Now if you've got a couple of hundred images, which is quite easy to do after a little while, you might want to use the bulk tool. So under the media library you'll see bulk Smush It, and if you click on this you can actually run through all the images on your site. Now this is a bit of an experimental feature, so sometimes it doesn't work as desired, but on most web hosts this will work quite well. So we'll just pause here for a bit and then come back when it's done. So the plugin's finished reducing the size of those with our bulk processor. So you'll see all the different files that it went through along with the savings that it made and the size that it reduced it by. So the way this works is it actually uploads it to, I think it's Yahoo, they've got a way you can do this. It uploads it to that and then it comes back to your server and replaces the file. So you can go through and figure out how much you've actually saved, but yeah, that's pretty much how you optimize your images on your blog. So to reduce the file size of all your images, check out the WP Smush It plugin, and that'll help you create a faster site.